In this video, we're going to look at how to use social media to improve SEO. Hi everyone, my name's Itamar Blauer. If you're new to the channel, make sure to subscribe and turn on the notification bell so you never miss out on future videos. We all know how important social media is for any brand and any business to engage with their customers and potentially get more traffic to their websites. But we're going to go further and explore how social media can potentially help improve your organic visibility on search engines such as Google. Now, before we get started, leave a comment down below with what is your favorite social media platform. I'll be curious to see what you guys have to say in the comments. Now, without further ado, let's get started. So the one important thing to mention straight away is that social media engagement does not directly affect your SEO. And what I mean by that is social signals such as the likes and shares that you get from social media posts, it's not going to directly influence your positions on search engines such as Google. But the one thing it can do is it can drive relevant traffic and engagement to your website. So let's talk about how social media can actually help indirectly to improve your SEO. Well, the one thing it can do is if you're getting your posts shared to the right audience who are engaged with your content, that can potentially give you opportunities to generate backlinks to those posts that you've been sharing. And these backlinks will generally be from publications that are relevant and potentially high quality in your niche, because these are the types of people who will look at it and say, this piece of content's really good, I might want to link to that in one of my current or future articles. Now, of course, there's no guarantee that you're going to be generating backlinks from sharing your content out on social media, and it often comes down to your overall content marketing strategy and how you're exactly using social media. So are you finding the right audiences to begin with? And if you don't know exactly where to start with that, you can click at the top right of your screen and I'll explain exactly how you can find your audience using online brand communities. So as we know with SEO, the one thing that everyone wants to do is be able to measure the results and success of SEO efforts. So one way that you can measure the social media impact on your SEO is by using UTMs on the URLs. You can generate UTM URLs for that particular post or article that you're sharing, and then you'll be able to track it on Google Analytics and see exactly how people have been engaging with that particular URL. And you can do this for any social media platform as well, just by changing the source of the traffic. You can create a campaign source, campaign medium, and campaign name, and that will allow you to effectively track and monitor exactly where you're getting your traffic from. And then on Google Analytics, you can go to acquisition, campaigns, and all campaigns, and you'll be able to see exactly how people have been engaging with the UTM links that you've been using to share your content on social media. Other ways that social media can be used to support your SEO efforts is increasing brand awareness, increasing attitudinal and behavioral loyalty, increasing the reach of your content to a targeted audience, and providing opportunities to build natural links to your content. Now, the last question really is, which social media platforms should you be focusing on? Well, there's so many social media platforms out there, so I wouldn't recommend going on every single one and sharing your content. And it's important that you first identify where your customers hang out on, and then from that you can see how they engage, what types of content do they post and engage with, and then that will give you a better idea in terms of saying, well, this is a social media platform that I should be focusing on. So there's plenty of ways to do that, and I mentioned this before as well, but just in case you haven't checked the video out, click here in the top right corner and I'll show you step by step of how you can find the right platforms to be sharing your content on. So I hope you enjoyed this short video of how to use social media to improve your SEO. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like rating below. I've been Itamar Blauer, thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Hey, you've reached the end of this video, but don't worry, there's plenty more great content that you can watch right now. All you have to do is click one of the two video links on the left side of the screen. And also, if you haven't already, make sure to subscribe and turn on the notification bell to never miss out on future uploads.